Hey, good evening, guys. Yeah, lots of people are struggling to get to where they need to be right now. In fact, in this neighborhood over here, Whispering Falls, this is the only entrance to this subdivision over here. And as you can see, there's still water blocking off much of that street. So for a lot of people, it's difficult to either get in or out of their neighborhood right now. And then, of course, we have some cars trying to maneuver around it, figure out how they can get home, how they can get to their next spot. Now, this is Wicker Road here, and a big portion of it is actually still blocked off. The water has come down a little bit over here, but as you can kind of see, it's still pretty deep here. I was walking through this myself a few minutes ago, and it probably went up to the top of my boots here, trying to make sure the water wasn't flooding myself. But there is just a lot of water, and then of course a lot of debris too. But I want to show you where this flooding used to be. It actually used to be all the way up here where the road is still blocked off up here. And look at this. You can see all of the debris that this water has brought along with it. So it's reduced quite a bit in the last hour or so, but it's still an issue for a lot of people. Now, in fact, I was even talking to one homeowner just a little bit ago who told me some of that water has been pouring off across the street into their yard. And of course, a big concern then is flooding into their home. So you have a lot of people out here really trying to struggle to navigate into their neighborhoods. Other people just making sure this water doesn't get into their home. And it's going to be that way until all of this water subsides. On the south side, Michael Van Scoik, Fox 59 News.